everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great Thanksgiving Day. If you're in the States, if you're in BC, Thanksgiving was in October. So that's the way that goes. It's very chilly today. And we'll see if we get some snow later on. Alright, so today is another Character Warehouse haul unboxing from the wonderful Beth Leung. I'll leave her information below. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and make sure that you hit the bell notification so you're notified on every time I download a video, and normally it's once a week. So look forward to that. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on it. Okay, here's the box that it came in. She usually ships second day, so it comes fairly quick from Florida. And this is the bag that I'm rocking today, my Sleeping Beauty pouch that I converted into a bag with some Morga. And there's my black leather crossbody strap that I'm using for it. So that worked out pretty cool, actually. This is from the Coach Dark Fairy Tale, and that's featuring Sleeping Beauty. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. And most of the stuff here is for gifts. I don't know if you guys, do you guys have a gift box that you have when you send out gifts for your grandkids or your kids or your husband, wife, partner, whatever? So it's a great way to do it because Disney products are pretty expensive. And at the Character Warehouse in Florida, they're about half the price once they get there. So it's well worth it if you're looking for something. Alright. Okay, that's what we got in there. Let's go ahead and pull out the first thing here. Alright, this is my Hocus Pocus Spirit jersey. Came in a bag like that. Oh, this is nice. Wow, that's pretty bright. Cool. Okay, that's what that looks like. This is a nice material. And on the back, if you can see it, it's pretty big. Okay, I look forward to using this. Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright, next bag. I have my Alex and Annie bracelets. I have a couple of Mickeys in the rose gold. And then one in the silver. These are really nice. Alright, let's see what else I have here. Alright, I have a orange bird bracelet. I have a BBE spinner keychain, and you can also use these as bag charms. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and I got a pair of teacup socks. Those make great gifts. I have a couple of buttons, Ariel and the rose gold. And then I have a Christmas apron, which is pretty cool. Has a little heart on it. Okay. So that's that. Let's see what else I have here. Okay. I have another one wrapped up in bubble wrap. This is a Haunted Mansion travel mug. It's got the 3 hitchhiking ghosts on it. Haunted Mansion. So that's pretty cool. They had their 50th anniversary, so. Alright, and I have another box. Oh, whoops, almost missed out. And I have a couple postcards. There's one there. And here's the other one. Pretty nice. Alright, let's see here if I can find my scissors. There, let me put these back in the box here. There we go. Okay. Oh, okay. This is one of my ornaments. It's red and it lights up. Has little Mickey ears. And the other one is a white one with mistletoe, same style. And I'm just waiting on, it's like, what do you call it? Like an ornament tree, and you can hang your ornaments on it. So that should be coming here shortly, hopefully. Alright, so that's my unboxing from the Character Warehouse haul. I hope everybody's having a great holiday. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.